Alrighty, so here are a few examples straight off the homework, so go get that. And you're welcome to copy them down. So I go through them and I talk about it here. List the corresponding angles and sides of the two rectangles. So here's the thing. We got to pay attention to what matches what. Obviously, this long side matches a long side over here. So I'm going to go alphabetical, and I'm just going to list it here, so just a second. So PQRS is similar to ABCD. So that means, again here, notice, P matches A, Q matches B, R matches C, and S matches D. If you don't believe me, I can turn it on its side here so you can see it better, right? Turn it on its side so you can see what it looks like there. Now you can see the match up, and it's okay to turn your paper if you have to do that. So this is just a list. I'm not making you find the proportions. List the corresponding angles and sides of the two rectangles. And again, we know that order matters. So we know, let's start with angles, okay? We know that angle P matches, we can say congruent, right? Angle A. We can say angle Q, oops, there we go. Q is congruent with angle B. We can say that angle R is congruent with angle C. Again, hopefully we're catching on, right? PA, QB, RC. Finally, SD. So angle S is congruent with angle D. Whoops, I forgot angle marks on those. There we go. Alrighty, so that's the first part of it. Congruency of the angles. Now, the other part, the sides are going to be proportional. So we won't use any kind of equal part, just be the swiggle, the tilde on its own. So we're going to match our sides. Now, again, we list sides with two side lengths, or two letters rather, PQAB, right? PQAB. So paying attention, order matters. I'm a real stickler on that. And make sure, again, we don't zigzag like PQSR. That doesn't make sense. PQRS, ABCD, right? Going around the outside. So, start with the first side, PQ, AB. Notice PQ, AB. So PQ, get the side marker there, is congruent, or similar rather, with AB. Again, don't forget the mark above it. I will count it wrong if you don't. Then, QR, BC. QR, BC, or BC if you prefer here, because we rotated it, right? So, QR and BC. QR and BC. Then we have RS, CD. So RS is similar to CD. And we're going to finish this up, the last ones, and you can go SP, right? SP, right? DA, DA. So SP and DA. So SP and DA. There we go. So that is showing that these corresponding sides over here are similar, right? They're proportional. And we could prove that here if we wanted to. And that the angles are equal in the proper order. Order matters. We've discussed this already. Order matters. Okay, don't forget that, all right? Because I will count it against you. Absolutely, I'm really picky about this sort of thing. Okay, so we're going to say that these two triangles, XYZ, RST, are congruent. List the congruent angles. Order matters. XR, YS, ZT. Okay, so we say that angle X matches, right, congruent with angle, almost wrote triangle, angle, whoopsie, nuts, okay, so that should say angle, hang on, I'm just going to start over on that one there, alright, angle X congruent with angle R, angle Y congruent, boy, I just keep messing that up, don't I, congruent, there we go, with angle S, and finally angle Z congruent with angle T. That's all three of them matched up. Again, order matters. Now how much I can stress that. XYZ, RST, XR, YS, ZT. Order matters. Okay, so This one, we're going to list all pairs of congruent sides. We could do it without drawing the pictures. I'm going to draw the pictures for you, just to make sure. Now, it says they're congruent, so that means they're same size and shape. Okay? Same size and shape. Don't make fun of my art here. So we're going to draw them. A, B, C, D. Don't zigzag. Right? Don't go A, B, C, D. And then we have L, M, N, O. Now they are congruent. So that means this side matches this side, right? This one matches this one. This one matches this one. This one, oops, 4, there we go, matches this one. Alrighty. And again, up here, order matters. A, B, L, M. B, C, M, N. C, D, N, O. D, A, O, L. So, congruency. So A, B. Again, don't forget the length segment marker there. Congruent with L, M. BC, congruent with M, N. CD, there we go, congruent with NO. And finally, DA, congruent with OL. Order matters. Order matters. Okay? Alrighty. So you do the rest of the worksheet and then check it. I'll have the rest of them in the other answer key for you here in just a moment.